Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Zoom audio and video issues on PC. So first you have to open the Zoom and after that you have to create a meeting. If you're already a part of a meeting, then you don't have to do it or just simply join it with a link. Once the meeting gets open, you will see there will be the icon on the mic as well as on the camera and it'll show the pop-up like an issue. So to fix both of these, what you have to do is you have to enable the microphone from your settings, also the camera. So for that, simply search for the settings or just simply go to its icon from the Windows icon. Click onto the settings and the settings will open. Once you get into the settings on the left side, you will see the option for privacy and security. Click onto it and after that you have to search for the microphone. Once you find the option, click onto it and after that you have to enable it. And also you have to make sure that it has the access to the app, specifically to the apps that are on your desktop, including the Zoom. If you don't have the Zoom on your desktop, then don't worry, you don't have to enable this option. Then simply get back and now it's time to find the option for the camera. So simply scroll down and then you will see the option for camera. Click onto it and enable it. Also make sure the apps has the access to use it. Once you're done with these things, simply close the settings and go back to Zoom meeting. Once the Zoom gets open, you have to click on mic and test audio and speaker. Then you have to just simply click onto this blue option and after that you will be able to use the microphone. Then simply click onto it and a microphone will be enabled. Click onto the camera and after that it will ask you for the permission. Simply allow it or deny it, but just simply check the camera is working and after that both of these will be enabled. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.